Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be canceling our Grubhub Plus membership. Now it's a very simple process. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Now this can be done either from a web browser, as I am going to be doing here. This is currently on my laptop, but you can also do the exact same thing on the app on your phone. Process is very, very similar. First thing that we need to do is obviously make sure we are logged in. And as you can see, I'm logged in over here. If not, you can always click this area. There should be a little login button. So make sure you are logged in under your account. Once you're logged in, we're going to use this little drop-down menu, and we're going to come down to this little account section. Again, this is going to be exactly the same on the app on your phone under the account section. We're going to go ahead and click that. And once we're inside our account information, we're going to have a number of different options, including this menu area over here that we can select from. And what we're looking for is the Grubhub Plus membership area. Let's go ahead and click on that. And once we are in, you can see that this is where we're going to get our cashback options if you do have a Plus membership, as well as the status of your membership. Now, we actually do have a couple of different things down here. You can see my next payment is going to take place on April 17th. It's April 16th today, which is why I'm wanting to end my subscription. We just don't use this enough to justify it. If you guys do use Grubhub more than once, twice, 3 times a month, it really is a great subscription service to save on those delivery fees. But we don't really use it enough. So again, what we're going to do is cancel ours today. A couple of different options here. You can update your payment if you wanted to keep your subscription but just update a credit card. And you can also click this in subscription, which we're going to do right now. What we're going to get here is a little survey that asks us why we are canceling. And I'm going to go down and select the I don't use Grubhub often enough. And then we're going to go ahead and click that cancel membership button. Should get that little notification. And then if we go back to our account settings, click on that Grubhub membership area again, you can see that it says your membership is canceled. Yes, friends, it really is just that easy. Hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? And don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.